What's up, y'all? You know who it is. Vincent Ford, certified personal trainer for over 25 years. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, and please take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. This is how to perform the dumbbell side bends correctly. Let's jump right in. Stand straight up with the dumbbell in the right hand, bend sideways to the left, pause briefly, and return to a straight up standing position. After several repetitions, place the dumbbell in your left hand and bend sideways to the right. Things to keep in mind. This exercise must be performed in a slow, controlled manner, one side at a time. Make sure you bend directly to the side. All your movements should be controlled. Don't hyperextend or bend too far to either side. Doing this with the weight in your hand could cause an injury. It's also a good idea to do a warm-up set first without any weight to get some blood flowing into the obliques before you go into your working set. Now, your breathing should also be natural and controlled. Don't hold your breath. When you complete your desired number of reps, I like to do some finishing movements like gentle twisting and shaking my arms and legs just to keep some blood flowing through my muscles, keeping the body warm before I go into my next exercise. All in all, this is one of the most effective exercises for developing the obliques. Take your time with it, and don't start out with a weight that is so heavy to control and not so light that you barely feel the tension. Thank you for joining me today, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Y'all have a great day.